Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan, and today we will be doing a little bit of maintenance on my Jeep 392. Let me show you what we'll be doing here. Every occasionally I've seen online these bypass coolant hoses on the front of the engine will split and create quite a mess. So what I'm going to show you how to do is hopefully it'll be a preventative measure that you could try. I haven't tried this before, but I have a good feeling based on the product I'll show you that we're going to use. It might help. All right, for those of you that are curious on what the part number is for the hose, which is blurry right now in the camera, the part number for the bypass hose is 684-81171 AC. Again, it's 684-81171 AC. And the product we're going to use today is called rescue tape. So just by looking at these specs on here, I'm hoping that this will work. I'll show you the back on what it stretch it, wrap it, and it fuses strong. So this stuff does stretch. I cut a piece off, which is right here. It's only about maybe 6 to 8 inches right here. That might be too long for what I want to do to start out with, but I'll give it a try. What I'm going to do is I want to start with right up here next to the hose clamp, right where my finger is, and cover the part number start right there and cover the part number. And then as you can see, it's going to be a little difficult to get back in here. That's why I cut a short piece to begin with. And then I'll cut another piece to cover the rest of it. It's not very long, this piece right there. And I'll be covering this outer sheathing right here. Most of the cracks happen like right in this area that I've seen online, right there. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off for a second, get this set up, and I'll be back with you here in just a minute. All right, thanks for your patience. As you can see, I just wrapped it, got a good wrap with that 6 to 8 inch piece around here. Made it a full wrap plus a little bit and ended right here. So now I'm going to take another piece about the same size. It's probably a little bit smaller. And I'm going to overlap it 50% on here and do the same thing and work my way down as far as I can. I'm going to try to do the whole thing piece by piece. As you can, there you go. I think you can see it now. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is my hands sweat without the gloves. And I didn't want it to cause issues with how this stuff sticks together. So my recommendation, I guess, would be clean your hands and wear gloves if your hands are sweat or even dirty and you don't have the ability to clean them right now to do this. So anyways, I'll be back at you here in a second. All right, here's what I did. I'm finished now, and I'll show you from the side. So I wrapped it according to the directions all the way down. So you'll see it's a little bit difficult. It was a little difficult for me, so I have a little bump there, but I wrapped it all the way down to the bottom. And then I decided, just by chance, what if some of this came unraveled and got caught up in my belt right here? So me, being someone who thinks about stuff like that, I just took one of these thick band clamps, these nylon band clamp, so I just cut part of the end off. And butted it up against the actual hose clamp on here. And then I'm going to tighten it a little bit tighter when I get done showing you guys this. And then I'm going to clip it off down there. And then I'll just monitor it. The rest of it should be fine. I overlapped it, and it's supposed to bond together. But I'll keep an eye on it to see if by chance it's coming loose. But anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you, give you all an idea. Instead of waiting for something to happen, a little preventative, hopefully, to help prevent it from happening. Anyways, put down in the comments below on what you might do, or if you've come up with a better idea to help it, so we can help everybody out. Cool. Thanks. Have a good one, everybody. See ya. Bye.